Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a very cool and unique CPA marketing strategy that is actually a secret one right now. So you want to just simply watch this video and learn this simple strategy. And the first step to that right here is actually coming onto this platform called CPAGRIP.com or any other CPA marketing platform to go on to creating a simple account right now. If you do click on register, you'll be brought to this page. Do go on to filling out this form, which you can actually do see right now. And if you successfully do fill out this form appropriately and agree to the terms of services, click on register now. You can then just simply go on to creating a simple account right here on this particular platform, and you can then just simply log into your account. So right now guys, you can actually do see I'm logged into my account. Next, you want to just simply go onto this section, click on offer tools and go on to clicking on my offers. So right here guys, as you can see, I filtered my offers to the United States demographic. You can actually go on to seeing a lot of cool offers which you could go on to promoting right now. Supposing I do click on payout, you can actually see offers with the highest paying offers right now, which you can actually go on to using. You can actually come right here and filter your offers to any top tier country. It may actually be the United States, Australia, Canada, and any other top tier country which you can actually grab hold of right now. As if you do promote to such countries, it makes you quite more easier to get conversions to such countries right now, and you actually do get better offers with a better payout right now. So supposing I do want to just simply go to clicking of an offer right now, maybe you can see this offer right now is to assess your rental assistance right now. You can actually see more details about the offer. There is an Android offer, also an email and zip submit offer, and here is a payout to this offer. You can go on to checking out other offers right now, and it is quite more advisable you do go on to selecting a kind of a sweepstake offer. So guys, if I do change my demographic to the United Kingdom to actually go on to searching for full sweepstake offer right now, you can actually go on to seeing a lot of sweepstake offer right here. This one right here should be a very cool one right now. So right here guys, this is actually more details to this offer right now. You can see the offer has a payout of $1.71, also an Apple iOS offer and an email and zip submit offer. You could just simply scroll through and you could check out more details or other offers right there. Copy the link to this offer and actually go on to promoting this. And next, you want to just simply go on to maybe utilizing a platform to create a landing page. And I'm just going to utilize this platform right here, which is called the Beacons AI. And as you can see right here, this is actually the most powerful link in the bio right now, which you can actually get. You can see it actually has plus so much more stores right here, which you could use to build a creator store. You could create store brand deals. You could also own your own and grow your own business audience, and actually you get a lot of stuff right now just by using this particular platform called Beacons AI. And a lot of influencers or people online actually go on to using this particular platform right now. All you actually want to do right here is to click on sign up, be brought to this page, select the username which you want to just simply go on to using, and click on next. And if you do click on next right there, fill out the form which will be shown appropriately, and actually go on to creating an account for absolutely free. Once you do create an account, you should be brought to a page such as this. Once you're actually brought to this page, we then want to just simply go on to maybe adding the link to your CPA marketing offer in this section. Just simply come right here, click on add block, and you want to just simply select this link icon. If you do select link right here guys, I can then just simply go on to clicking on add link. Once I do click on add link right now guys, as you can see right here, I do have the option of adding the title to the link and also the URL to the link. So if I do come right here, copy this particular link and head back to this particular section right here, I can then just simply paste in the link URL, and I can just simply add a title. For that title, I'm going to use the same title as in CPAGRIP right now. Once I do go on to copying this title, head back to this particular section and do paste in this. As you can see, that has actually been pasted. I could also go on to add in an image. Supposing I want to add in an image, I'm just going to download this image right now, and if I do save this particular image on my device, I can then just simply head back to this platform and just simply click on add to actually add in this particular image. So once I do click on this right now, I can actually go on to uploading a file, which is that particular image right there. So you can actually see the image right now. I'm just going to select this section, click on accept, and that image right here will actually be added to this particular offer. You can actually go on to adding multiple CPA marketing offers to this section, and once you do add that in right now, you can then just simply go on to promoting this particular page right now. And as you can see right here, you also want to click on share, and you'll be able to get the link to this particular page right now by clicking on copy and go on to driving traffic to this using platforms like Facebook right here. And guys, you may be wondering, Facebook is quite easy to go on to promoting your offers to. You just want to come right here to this group section, click on groups, and you want to search for groups that are actually related to that kind of offer. So I could just simply come right here and search for maybe gift card giveaway or free gift card. So right now guys, if I do search for free gift card, you can actually see a lot of gift card related groups which you could go on to join in right now. And if you do go on to selecting one of these groups, you can go on to promoting your offers in such groups. And such groups actually do have lots and lots of members right here. This one has about 53,000 members which you could go on to promoting your offers to. You can see this person right here says gift card available, and you can actually come right here, see that 112 people have actually liked this particular post right now. And you could also see that a lot of people are actually commenting that they actually need or they are interested in this. This person right here actually has about 184 comments. So you want to just simply follow this simple strategy and actually upload a post telling them gift card available, and for as many people that do go on to completing that or commenting in that particular post, you can actually send them the link to that particular gift card offer right now or your landing page. And if they do complete such offers, you can just simply go on to making some cool cash right now with CPA marketing. And guys, the amazing thing about this is that you want to just simply focus more on people from that demographic to which you are promoting your offer from. So which is why you just want to make sure you do go on to maybe selecting people from the United Kingdom demographic. You could actually tell them that this is actually for United Kingdom, for people in the United Kingdom only. And if they do go on to commenting, you can actually go on to sending them that offer link or your landing page link and go on to promoting that using this simple strategy and get a lot of engagement. As you can see right here, from just this group alone, this person has actually gotten about 184 comments, meaning that a lot of people are interested in this right now. And it's not everybody that do see this post that is going to comment. So you want to just simply go on to using this simple strategy and get a lot of leads and a lot of money right now with CPA marketing. And I do hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, make sure you do go on to smashing the like button, subscribing to this channel, and ensure your notification bell is turned on all. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.